This 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, oven, microwave, slide-out, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS is 4,278 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.